Looking at these scenes, I'm sure you've already guessed what today's masterpiece and challenge are, right? That's right, it's a tank with a unique ball-shooting gun design. We'll start with the detailed assembly process of this tank, from attaching the wheel system with the chain tracks, to building the sturdy frame, adding the ammo grooves, and connecting the motors. Each step brings us closer to completing a powerful tank. Now, let's see how it performs in the test run. Let's dive straight into the first challenge. The tank quickly overcomes the obstacle with ease. For the second challenge, the terrain is higher, requiring the tank to put in more effort. On the first attempt, the tank got stuck and couldn't pass. But after retrying, the tank used all its strength and impressively conquered the challenge. Next, the challenge becomes even more difficult with higher obstacles. However, the tank had to give up, as it couldn't make it over. But we're not stopping there. Now we're going to test the tank's ball shooting ability. The first shot is fired and immediately destroys the target with perfect accuracy. The entire process is truly impressive. Finally, we come to the fifth challenge, where the tank has to destroy multiple targets consecutively with a single shot. All the obstacles are destroyed. Couldn't be more perfect. So, what do you think of today's product? Feel free to share your thoughts with me. In today's video, we're going to create some unique vehicles and put them to the test by challenging them to break through paper walls. Let's find out which one will be crowned champion. First up, we have the Crusher machine, equipped with a front lined with sharp gears, almost like a powerful drill. It starts off against a single-layer paper wall, but unfortunately, it couldn't break through. Next, meet our second vehicle, the 4-spindle drill, designed with 4 rotating drill heads like fan blades. Watch closely as it charges at the wall. And succeeds in breaking through. Now let's increase the difficulty with a thicker paper wall. Look at that. The vehicle's front spins wildly, tearing through the wall. Though it suffers some damage, but still completes the task. With an even thicker wall, this vehicle pushes to its limits, but ultimately falls short. What a tough challenge. Up next is a new Warrior, equipped with a powerful chainsaw head. Unfortunately, it fails on its first attempt. Let's give it another shot. This time, it unleashes all its power, tearing through the paper wall impressively. try a thicker wall, it only manages a few small cracks and can't break through completely. Now we have another vehicle with a massive drill head. Let's get it in action. Oh no, the vehicle took some damage and one of its wheels fell off. But even with the setback, it manages to powerfully break through the wall. However, when tested on an even thicker wall, this vehicle has to concede defeat. For the next challenge, we'll try breaking some balloons. The first few vehicles struggle to complete the task. Wow, this one finally succeeds. Impressive! The last vehicle seems a bit weak, and also can't get through.
Bruh. Oh my God! 3, 2, 1, go!
Thank you.